Hi everyone, it's me Jawaria Jabeen and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study the regional classification of the bone, which includes axial and appendicular skeleton. Our main learning objectives will be the bones of axial and appendicular skeleton and their importance. Let's start the topic. The total bones in the human body are 206, which classifies as axial skeleton, which consists of 80 bones, and appendicular skeleton, which consists of 126 bones. So let's start with axial skeleton, which forms our axis or mid part of the body. These bones include skull, hyoid bone, vertebrae, ribs, and sternum. So first let's come with skull. Skull bones form our head and protect our brain. There are total 28 skull bones, which are classified as 8 cranial bones, 14 facial bones, and 6 auditory bones. Then hyoid bone, which is present in our neck region anteriorly parallel to third cervical vertebra, and there is a single hyoid bone present in the neck region. Then very important vertebral column, which forms our back and bears the whole body weight. It consists of 7 cervical bones, 12 thorax bones, 5 lumbar, 1 sacrum and 1 Cocyx bone. There are total 26 vertebrae. Then comes ribs, which form the thoracic cage of our body, and it protects the major organs like heart and lungs. There are 12 pairs of the ribs, which are 24 bones in number. The sternum is the bone which is present in the mid of thoracic cage and with which ribs are attached. There are 1 sternum bone and the parts of sternum bone are: the upper part is manubrium, then there is main body, and the last is xiphoid process. These are all the bones which form our axial skeleton and keep the body in an upright position and protects the internal organs like brain, lungs, heart, diaphragm, stomach, and all other organs. Then comes to the appendicular skeleton, which forms upper and lower extremities of our body. It consists of pectoral girdle and upper limb, and then pelvic girdle and lower limb. So let's first focus on the upper extremity. As human body is bilateral and extremities are present in pair, so all the bones of the extremities are also paired. There is 1 clavicle bone and 1 scapula bone in each shoulder girdle. A single humerus is present in each upper arm, and 1 radius and 1 ulna bone is present in each lower or forearm. 8 carpals are present in each wrist, and 5 metacarpals are present in each hand. Total 14 phalanges bones are present in the fingers of one hand. There are total 64 bones of the upper extremity. Now let's focus on the lower extremity. As lower extremities are also present in pair, as human body is bilateral, so all the bones of the lower extremities are also present in pair, means 2 in number. The pelvic girdle has 1 hip bone in left side and 1 hip bone in the right side, and then lower limb has 1 femur bone in each thigh, and 1 patella bone on each knee, and 1 tibia and 1 fibula in each lower leg, 7 tarsals in each ankle, 5 metatarsals in each foot, 14 phalanges in all the fingers of each foot, and there are total 62 bones of the lower extremities. So total bones in appendicular skeleton are 64 upper extremities and 62 bones of lower extremities, and total 126 bones. Appendicular skeleton is also very important in maintaining our posture. The primary function of appendicular skeleton is to facilitate in the movements of the human body. Moreover, a pectoral girdle and the pelvic girdle transmits the weight of upper limb and lower limb to the axial skeleton for the stability of the body. Let's have a quiz for self-analysis. Question number 1. Name the bones of pectoral girdle. And these are clavicle and scapula bone. Question number 2. How many bones are present in each wrist and each ankle? 8 carpals in each wrist and 7 tarsals in each ankle. Number 3. Which bone is called tailbone? And the answer is Cocyx bone of vertebral column. Thank you so much, and if this video is helpful for you, so must like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.